Alright guys, the Handyman here. Today we are going to show you how to unclog a tub without a snake. 9 times out of 10, I never use a snake. Really 10 out of 10. This trick always works. Take your overflow plate off, stuff it in there with a rag. And see, I made a mistake how I just bring it down straight like that. It's best if you fold it in half so you get the little thicker rag fitting in there. But either way, you put it in there, stuff it in there, grab your plunger, hold the towel in place, and plunge away. You're not going to get it right away, but be persistent, and you will get it. Even though it's clogged, I like to add a little bit more water, more pressure. So I took the rag out, and this is when I started folding it in half because that didn't work out. And I realized that it was not working. So I stuffed it in there first and then I folded it in half midway. All right, let's see what we got. Keep at it. Make sure you keep one hand on the towel or on the rag. Keep that in place. And use your offhand to plunge. I switch up the rhythm. Sometimes I go one pump at a time. Sometimes I just go multiple times, pumping at it, then release. I was getting a little frustrated. I was like, man, come on. And it's funny that that was when I actually got it. Popped off the rag and everything. See that little tornado? Ooh, that's a beauty. Yes, sir. Draining all the way. If you can, grab all that extra stuff, extra material, debris, before it reaches the drain, that'd be better. But if not, it should be fine. Ooh-wee, that thing's draining away, baby. And that, guys, is how you drain a tub without a snake. The Handyman out.